What's up guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make videos about whatever I feel like, whenever I feel like it, so welcome. Today I'm going to be making another beginner hoop tutorial. This is just going to be some easy little transition moves that can help you kind of find your flow and make it feel like it's more flowy rather than just a bunch of tricks over and over. And I'm using a 27-inch hoop Poly Pro. So this is on the smaller side, but you can still do most of these tricks with a bigger hoop. Because I know beginners like to use bigger hoops, or at least I did when I was a beginner. Okay, so the first transitions are ones that go along with the bow and arrow trick that I taught in my last video. So once you're here, you just twirl the hoop all the way in a circle like this. And once you're here, you can do this ghosting transition, which is when you just float your wrists up and down like this. So just watch how my wrists are like a fluid motion like this, and it gives that illusion that the hoop is like ghosting up and down. So you can do that, or from here you can do where you bring it over like this, so it's like horizontal on your body, like you're inside of it with your arms closed or with your arms folded. And so you're here and you can guide it up around the circle and then bring it back down like this. So you can do that repetitive like that, and then bring it like all the way down your body and back up. And that's something I do very often, is like the ghosting or illusion like that. Or you can bring it over your body and flip it up and down, kind of twirl it around. There's a lot of flowy stuff you can do from that there. Another easy trick that's a good transition move is a C-roll. So this is what it looks like. So your hand like this, with the hoop in hand, is facing up, and the hoop is resting on the palm of your hand. And then you want your hands to be out like this in front of you, and you're gonna send the hoop up your chest, and when you send it up, you want to curl it so that it rolls onto the other side of your arm. So boom, 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 boom. It's just about pushing the hoop and giving it that flip rotation, so you just twist your arm, like how you see my whole arm kind of guides it. That's something you can just drill over and over, and it'll get easier the more you do it. And then once you get that, you can do like some fancy stuff like a coin flip from it, or I always take it and then pull it out like that. This is an easy trick that makes people go like, oh, and it's super easy if you just hold your knee out like this, or you can even do it on the ground or on your arm or anything, but you hold it out like this and then push the hoop down so that it pops up. And then you can either grab it with your hand like this and pull it down, and you can come in it. You can catch it with both hands or do really anything, but just having it pop up in the air like that is a really cool trick and always makes people like gasp, even though it's literally just you pushing it on your knee. Something that's really cool from that you can do as transitions, when you catch it with your hand, you can pull the hoop down, and then once it's at the bottom, flip it up and pull up with the same hand. And once you're pulling it up, you want to let go of it and then catch it with the other hand. So like this, you catch it up here, it's coming down, pull it up, let go, catch. Pulling down, up, let go, catch. And then just the same motion. And that's kind of a cool like optical illusion that you can do. Some trippy illusions. Folds. These are really easy motions. You just pretty much take the hoop and fold it on your arm like this. And then you move it the other way, fold it the other way. And if you just like do that over and over, it kind of gives this trippy looking motion here. A motion that helped me understand like the concept of folds was this. How the hoop just like stays in a specific plane, but it folds over your arm. You do that same thing, but pretty much just without the help of the other arm. So like practice it with both arms like this, just in different motions, and then let go of the other hand and keep it going. And you don't have to keep your arm straight the whole time. If you like bend your arm, it kind of gives you more control over the hoop. So yeah, and you can do that to go into a K-roll like I showed in my last video. If you didn't watch it, you should go watch it now. This is another huge one, is to practice this motion. So your hand is just upright like this, and you want to practice the hoop spinning on a circle steadily above your head. This move will literally change your whole entire life when it comes to flow. I do this so much, like in between everything, bringing it up and down, bringing it in front of me. This is like a necessity to find your flow. So yeah, it's really easy with two hands. Kind of gives you more momentum. Practice rolling it on these 4 fingers like this. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Yay, well I hope you guys learned something from this little transition tutorial. If you have any specific moves you guys want help on, make sure to let me know, because I would love to make some more tutorials for you all. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Follow my Instagram for more hooping content, always, everywhere, every day. So yeah, peace and love.